beauties, it's me, Allegra. Today I'm hopping on with a raw and real Ariana Grande makeup review. So I've got some pieces from her new makeup line here, and her new makeup line is called r.e.m. Beauty. So I got a few pieces, not everything, but I did get quite a lot. I spent about $200, so for me that's a lot to spend on one brand of makeup without ever having tried it, but I really wanted to give it a try. I personally love Ariana Grande's music, so I really wanted to see what her makeup line was about. And before we dive into today's video, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. We have tons of giveaways, makeup, fashion, fun, all kinds of good stuff. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. So without further ado, let's dive right into this Ariana Grande makeup review. So the first thing I figured we would try today is her Baby Doll eyeshadow palette. Now I have read some people saying online this reminded them of Avon, but for me, when I first opened it, I didn't feel like this was Avon. I really like the futuristic vibes. It does have some weight to it, so it does feel really good and well made in your hand. So I really like that. And my first impressions of the colors, though, they don't look that exciting, to be honest. But I did pick up one of her liquid shadows. So this is Talk to You Later, TTYL. And this is it looks gorgeous brown liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to try this all out with you today. Let's just jump into it and get started, and then we'll chit chat as we go through everything. First thing I'm going to try is the liquid eyeshadow because it just looks so gorgeous. Now this is a color that looks really unique and different to me, which is something that I love. So here it is. It has a beautiful little applicator, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out, and then I'm going to put the shadows on top. So we'll see how that comes out. So I hope you beauties can see that. That is actually stunning. The color in itself is just so beautiful, and then I don't know how this is going to dry down, but this wet look is stunning. I don't even want to put the eyeshadow on top now, guys. I will play with it to see, but this is absolutely stunning. This is just gliding on. It feels incredible. It's very soothing. This on its own is just everything. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, and the color is just unbelievably gorgeous. Now, I was reading online about why exactly Ariana Grande named her makeup line r.e.m. Beauty, and apparently she named it after her song r.e.m., which stands for rapid eye movement, and rapid eye movement occurs when you're sleeping, and people say that's when you have particularly active dreams. And in her case, according to the song, she does have a song about it, and it's about being in the r.e.m. dream state and having all these romantic, for lack of a better word, experiences. And when they asked her why she named her makeup line r.e.m., she said she named it after that song. She feels like that song embodies everything about her musically, artistically, you know how it is. And it is blending out like a dream. Oh my gosh, this is a truly stunning, unique product. I've never used a liquid eyeshadow like this before. It's gorgeous. So I'm just blending the edge, and I just got these brushes. This is from What's Up Beauty. These brushes are so good, you guys. I'll have them linked below. What I really love about liquid eyeshadow is you can leave them as they are and just go about your business, and they look stunning. Or you can pack powder eyeshadow on top, and it just comes out so much more intense, and it will last and last all throughout the night, or special if you have a special occasion, or if you need it, if you have particularly oily lids. It's just going to make the eyeshadow so much more intense, but also last all night long, or all day tonight for you. So how gorgeous is that? I really truly feel like I don't even want to do much more. I think that is so gorgeous. And I just blended that with a clean brush, no product. I did have some concealer on my lids before I started the video. You guys, how stunning is that? So I'm going to actually take this shade right here, this light shade, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lashes. Oh, you know what, guys, that is stunning. I said I have shadows like this, but actually that is a stunning color. It's not like any shadows that I have, even though it looked similar in the pan, it actually translates very differently on your skin. So I'm just going to take this shade here, and I'm going to put some of this in the outer portion of my eye. So now I'm just going to, for fun, just see how it looks if we layer a little bit of this shade, this gold tone shade here, right on top of kind of the center portion of the eye, just to give it that kind of wet look. It's so beautiful. So I also got another liquid eyeshadow. This one is more glitter-esque. It's very shimmery. I'm going to just put a little bit of this over the shimmer shade that we laid down just to see how it applies. It looks stunning. This is called Fembot. So I really just want to play with everything and see how it looks. Wow, this is so beautiful. I cannot even believe how stunning that is. So I'm just going to take a little bit of black kohl liner and just line my lower waterline. And then I also did pick up the Ariana Grande R.e.m. Beauty. This is a liquid liner. So let me go ahead and just apply some of this. I love how the applicator tip is pretty short, so you have a lot of control over what you're doing. And it did dry down really fast because I have put liquid liners on before of luxury brands and they will transfer all of my eye by now, so this is pretty bomb. So now I'm going to go ahead and try out her lashes. So these are her Dream lashes and they look pretty natural, although they do have a beautiful looking flare to them. So they do flare out from short, tapered short into a more flared look. So I can't wait to try these. Oh, these are amazing. These are amazing, you guys. Oh my God. And again, these are like nothing I've ever tried before because I've tried so many lashes, but these just feel so weightless. They actually look truly like your own natural lashes. Like you just have the most stunning natural lashes of life. These are amazing. So now I just want to try out some of this highlighter that I picked up from R.e.m. Beauty, and it looks so beautiful in the packaging. This one is called Miss Mercury. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on just the apples on my cheeks. Oh, that's gorgeous too. Everything is so effortless. It looks really natural. That just melted into my skin and looks wet all on its own without even doing any work. And in real life, you feel good about yourself because it's not sitting on my skin and looking fake or chunky, or I have a lot of texture on my skin. It's not sitting in the pores and the texture. So finally, beauties, I have the lipstick and I have a lip plumping gloss. I actually love this packaging. Oh, and I just saw it has a magnetic closure, so it feels very luxurious. I actually love this packaging though. It feels very futuristic. It feels luxurious because everything has a nice weight to it and just feels good in your hand. I just think that's adorable. There's like a little peek hole where you can see the lipstick through, which is also great. If you pick up a few and you're looking for a certain color, you can see the color right through the packaging. So I'm just going to line my lips with my Kkw Lip Liner. This is the Kkw Classic Icon Lip Liner. And then here's the lipstick. You know, looking at this, I thought it was matte. It looks like it's definitely a matte lipstick, but actually it's not. When you put it on, it's very creamy. It feels really good. It feels exceptional. It feels like, it doesn't feel like any lipstick I have already. It feels like a gel lipstick times 20. I feel like it filled in all the ridges and the dryness of my lips, and just actually, it's so creamy that it just feels nourishing. And now I'm just gonna try out the lip plumping gloss. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is seriously gorgeous makeup. This feels incredible on too. It does have a kind of minty feeling. This color is so gorgeous, beauties. So beauties, this is the finished look. This is everything that I purchased from R.e.m. Beauty, from Ariana Grande Makeup. And I have to tell you the God's honest truth, I am so shocked at how stunning these products are and how unique they are. They are like nothing else that I've tried. So I am literally in shock right now because I really was not expecting that. I pretty much thought maybe I wasted my money, but no, these are good. I hope that she's in Sephora soon because I personally love to shop at Sephora and just get all my favorites in one place. So hopefully she will be in Sephora soon because I will definitely be repurchasing these lashes, this lip gloss, this highlighter, and the liquid shadows I'm crazy for. The holographic one is stunning, absolutely stunning. I would love to try more of those. And also the matte shade that I picked up that I laid down as a base, absolutely stunning. Like you guys saw, you can wear it on its own or you can pack shadows on top. There's so much to do. But the thing about this makeup line that is so unique is that everything applies effortlessly. Everything comes together and just flows on your face, flows into your complexion. Even if you have textured skin, even if you have dry skin, I do have dry skin now, beauties. I have texture, I have pores, and everything just melted into my skin. Feels incredible. My eyes are very dry, my actual lids, and these shadows just felt incredible putting them on. If you want to look just gorgeous, feel good about yourself in real life, this is makeup that makes you feel good about yourself in real life. So if you go to a party, if you go to an event, if you just go grocery shopping, you're gonna feel good about yourself because this makeup just sits so stunningly on your skin. It's not overdone. I really feel like the #1 word that I can describe, this is just totally unique, is that it gives you a very effortless look. It's like an effortless glam. I will be a repeat customer because I definitely want another pair of some more of these lashes. I will definitely be repurchasing this lip gloss when it runs out, and the lipstick and the highlighter, those toppers, everything so good. So anyway, beauties, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Ariana Grande makeup raw and real review. So let me know if you like these type of videos and any other products that you would like for me to test out and try, and we'll find out what's good and what's not, and hopefully save you beauties some money. So thank you beauties so much again for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye, love you.